In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Java on Windows 10. Whether you're diving into programming or just need it to run certain applications, Java is an essential tool for your computer. Let's get started and I'll guide you step by step to ensure a smooth installation process. First, we're going to navigate to the official Java website. It's important to visit the official site to ensure you're downloading the correct and most secure version. You can easily find it by typing Java download into your search engine, or you can go directly to java.com. Once there, you'll be greeted with a few options, but there's no need to worry as we'll focus only on what you need. When you land on the Java homepage, you'll want to click on the download link appropriate for your Windows 10 operating system. You'll see options for various operating systems, and it's crucial to choose the right one to avoid any potential software conflicts. Now, once you've selected the Windows version, the download should start automatically. If it doesn't, you can click the link provided to manually initiate the download. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a few minutes. Use this time to get a coffee or relax a little because the installation process awaits us next. Once downloaded, you'll navigate to your downloads folder. This is where your browser saves files by default, but if you've changed your personal preferences, you'll need to locate your download wherever it resides on your device. You'll see the Java setup file there, ready for action. Double click this file to trigger the installation process. Windows might ask for permission to run the setup. Just click yes or allow to proceed. You'll be prompted by the Java setup wizard. Here you'll want to click on the install button to begin the actual installation of the Java software. The installation process is usually quick, but be patient and wait for it to finish completely. You'll see a progress bar that gives you an indication of how much longer it might take. It's recommended not to run other demanding applications during this time to allow Java to configure itself properly without any hitches. Once Java has installed successfully, you'll see a confirmation message that the installation was completed, and there you have it. Java is now installed on your Windows 10 machine. Remember, keeping Java updated is vital for security and functionality, so check for updates periodically. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below or consult additional online resources. Enjoy your new capabilities with Java, and happy programming.